Say hello and welcome to Anakin's World Ride, a show all about motorized bicycles and me riding them. No, Mommy's not a part of this show. It's about us riding around town on our bike. So we've been building a new one, and we had a faulty piston and cylinder come. So we had to order some new ones, and we got the new ones from CDH Power. It's got tape on it.
Mama.
I gotta open it. A lot of tape. And that means good quality shipping. Yeah, huh, son? That's a good thing. I'm gonna tear it up. Yeah, Daddy cannot open it. Okay, so let's see what we got. We got our piston. Ooh, it looks a lot better material than the last one we got. So maybe we did just get a defective one. Yeah. See? Oh yeah, that looks a lot better. Brand new, nice and shiny, no rough edges. It doesn't look like someone just used a die grinder to make this. Oh, yeah, that's our pin. You're right. We got everything we needed. Woo! Say thank you for watching our unboxing of the window piston from CDH Power.